Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and in honor of it being October, I wanted to do a video where I show you opening up a lock with an electronic pumpkin carver. Now this is something you may have seen done before, but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to modify this, I'm just going to use it as the way it came, so you can see it has the saw blades how it would normally come. Now this is going to compare up against a more sophisticated one, the Kronos electronic pick gun. When you take a look at this one, when you hit the button, it's going to be going up and down, and it's going to be hitting the pins in that plane. When you look at this one, it's going to be a sawing motion in and out. But in theory it should work. It probably isn't going to work as well, but we're going to see what it takes to get open one of the most common locks you can find in North America. The lock I have for you today is going to be a Kwikset lock. And this is kind of a special one because I found it fun because it was a Master Lock branded Kwikset lock, and we all know how good of a reputation those have for pick resistance. So let's see what it takes to open this up. So I'm going to take my bottom of the keyway tensioner. I'm going to insert that into the bottom of the keyway now. We're going to do some light tension. We're just going to get ourselves positioned, and I'm going to align the teeth up with the key pins, and then I'm going to deploy the button, and we're going to get it to go. So we're going to do some light tension, and let's see what it takes. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to lighten up, and I just got it opened. So you got to be careful taking it out because it is sharp. But I just wanted to say that we are able to get open one of the most common types of locks you can find in North America on your front door with an unmodified electronic pick gun. This is something that is something just to take note of. I think it is interesting, but I do think your results are going to vary. I think that this is a fun thing to do for the month of October, and I just wanted to share it with you. Either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions or anything at all, I recommend that you leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you. But I just want to say thank you for checking this out. I hope everyone has a great day, and please consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this.